how to start a conversation with anyone. Today, I'm going to talk about how I've been able to start conversations with random strangers and create long-term friendships. This is something that I do quite often as I'm always traveling around and finding people to hang out with. All you need to follow is this simple 5-step process that I'm going to show you right now. Step 1. I always remember to be close and make eye contact. In terms of closeness, I often only start a conversation with someone who is within a meter or two of me because it seems more natural and they can hear me without raising their voices. I frequently talk to the person sitting next to me in the elevator, on public transit, or while I'm in line for anything. Because eye contact is a means of communication, I will only initiate a discussion with someone who maintains eye contact with me for at least a millisecond. And that's because eye contact is a form of communication. It's a recognition of my existence. I almost never talk to people at coffee shops who are immersed in their work because I don't want to bother them. However, if someone is looking around, playing on their phone, and staring into the distance, they are far more likely to be open to a conversation. Step 2. Find out their origins. However, if you are from a city where everyone is from the same ethnic background, you can ask them from what part of the town they are from. I do this because I grew up in New York City, where people come from very diverse backgrounds, and I travel constantly, so I encounter all types of people. Throughout my life, I have used this opening phrase thousands of times, and never once have I experienced a negative reply. Once they respond, we can move on to step number 3. Step 3. The third step is to ask them about their past or share what you know. Since this is a little complex, I will demonstrate my normal method with a few examples. So, a year ago, I met a Bhutanese taxi driver in New York City. I've never met someone from Bhutan, but I've heard it's the happiest place on earth. So I asked him, "Is that true? Have you noticed what I did?" After sharing my knowledge of their nation, I asked them a question so they might tell me more. Actually, the reason I do this is because I sincerely want to know more about their history. The next time I meet someone from Bhutan, I hope to be able to impart something they wouldn't expect a stranger to know. That's why I want to find out if the rumors are accurate. After you've questioned them about their background, you can take the conversation in a variety of directions. I usually ask them about their lives and their opinions on current affairs. The bulk of the report is constructed in this step. Step 4. This step is simple. I invite them out. If I'm in a city with a good nightlife, I'll ask them to go for drinks. If not, I'll ask them to come eat with me. It's as simple as that. Being a fun person to hang out with is basically more of step number 3, but essentially, once you've invited them out, there's only one last step. Step 5. The next time you see them, mention their name just one time. I believe that simply mentioning it once will make the other person think, "Wow, this dude actually remembered my name." And it's plenty to demonstrate to them that you actually remembered their name. And that's it. This is how you start conversations with anyone in 5 simple steps and build a potential friendship in the future. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.